The sun sinks below the horizon. The serenity of night draws near. Soon the Earth will turn in harmony with the cosmos. But not necessarily in harmony with our star. The sun is sending us ominous warnings that we ignore at our peril. A roiling deep within. Energy building in its outer zones. An eruption gathering force. We are getting better and better at reading the flare-ups, the waves, and the spots that emerge on the solar surface. But our increasingly technological society has exposed us as never before to the sun's angry moods. The wake-up call arrived in the year 2003, with Halloween approaching. A truly scary chain of events overtook our solar system. "93 million miles away, the sun began to vent its rage. On its surface, dark regions called sunspots appeared unexpectedly, a sign of rising tension within. It had been 3.5 years since the sun last erupted in fury, at the peak of an 11-year cycle of solar flare-ups. Back then we got ready for it by shutting down satellites that were vulnerable to high levels of radiation. No one expected this. The sun erupted in a series of massive explosions called coronal mass ejections, or CMEs. Vast electrified gas clouds raced outward. Solar telescopes recorded the action. The largest emission of solar X-rays ever seen. Flares reaching tens of thousands of miles into space. And a wave of charged particles traveling at 8 million kilometers per hour. The sun became a giant plasma weapon, more potent than any in science fiction, and pointed right at our home planet. On Earth, the Halloween storms produced some of the most spectacular auroras ever seen at the North and South Poles.